If you're marketing commercial real estate with a 2-page flyer and a rent roll screenshot, you're leaving money on the table. Serious buyers can tell when a package is amateur, and it affects their perception of the deal. This is the CRE Offering Memorandum Pro Kit, a 32-page institutional deal marketing system. It's built on the exact structure used by the top investment sales brokerages in the country. It's not just a template, it's the complete funnel: blind teaser, NDA, and buyer qualification. A full 24-page offering memorandum that sophisticated buyers expect. Let me walk you through it. The kit opens the way every institutional OM opens, with a professional confidentiality and disclaimer page. This protects the seller, protects you, and signals to buyers that this is a professionally run process. Then the table of contents, 18 sections. Look at this structure: executive summary, financial summary, and more. It covers the offering, property overview, financial summary, rent roll, and returns and sensitivity, including financing scenarios, sale comps, lease comps, market overview, and a defined offering process. Buyers judge the completeness of your package from this page alone. This is what complete looks like. The executive summary leads with your investment thesis, one sentence that tells buyers exactly why this deal matters. Below it, 4 headline metrics: asking price, cap rate, in-place NOI, and size. This is what hooks them. The investment highlights page gives you 7 differentiator cards to showcase the deal's strengths. And here's the coaching built into every page. See the sidebar? Every section has a purpose note, plus a common mistake. Warning: on this page, don't write generic hype. Tie every claim to data. Then, the offering, the 1-page deal snapshot, buyer's screenshot, and forward to partners and lenders. 16 fields, including current and pro forma cap rates side by side. Professionalism is in the details. Amateur OMs show one number. Institutional OMs show both. Now, the section that separates this kit from every other template out there: the financial engine. The financial summary is a full annualized operating statement, including gross potential rent and reimbursements. It itemizes operating expenses down to net operating income, with current and pro forma side by side. The sidebar warning here is critical. Financials that don't tie to the rent roll are the #1 credibility killer. The rent roll page has a full 10-column tenant table covering suite, tenant, square footage, and lease dates, plus a lease expiration schedule and your WALT calculation, because rollover risk is what underwriters model. The pro forma page gives you a 5-year cash flow projection: income, expenses, and net operating income. It tracks debt service, cash flow after debt, and cash-on-cash return by year, essential for serious investors, including a key assumptions card stating your rent growth, vacancy, exit cap, and hold period. Transparency builds trust. And then the page that makes buyers take you seriously: returns and sensitivity, IRR, equity multiple, and DSCR. A 5x5 sensitivity grid showing IRR across exit cap rates and rent growth scenarios. This is institutional grade. This is the analysis institutional buyers expect, and almost no template on the market includes it. The financing scenarios page shows 3 illustrative debt structures side by side: loan amount, LTV, and rate. Buyers can see the leverage story at a glance, from amortization to year 1 cash-on-cash returns. Sale comparables and lease. Comparables pages prove your pricing. Fave comps each with average rows. Your subject property is highlighted for instant comparison. Don't cherry-pick high comps. Buyers pull the same data. And the offering process page? This is a pro move. A 5-step defined process from OM review to contract. A defined process with a deadline creates competition. It prevents open-ended marketing that leaves money on the table. Deals with structure trade better. Best and final rounds ensure you get the absolute highest price for the asset. Now the bonus toolbox, the part of this kit that no other template shop includes: the complete deal funnel. First, the blind teaser, a standalone marketing page that shows asset type and size without revealing the address. You circulate this first to generate interest while protecting the deal. It's the professional way to source buyers. Then the NDA template, 6 clauses covering confidential information, use, and non-contact rules. Interested buyers sign this before they ever see the full OM. It's essential for protecting seller confidentiality. Then the buyer qualification form, covering buyer type, capital source, and proof of funds available. Qualify before you release. Serious buyers complete this without hesitation, and it filters out the tire kickers. There's also a property intake form and financial inputs checklist, so you gather every document before you build, plus a CRE terms and formulas. Cheat sheet with 16 metrics and their exact formulas, NOI, cap rate, and IRR. And a 10-point pre-send quality checklist, so nothing embarrassing ever leaves your desk. Professionally reviewed. The workflow is simple. Gather your data with the intake forms first. Professionalism is in the preparation. Duplicate the template in PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva. Replace every bracketed placeholder with your deal info. Drop in professional photos and your branding. Reconcile your numbers, rent roll to financial summary, to pro forma. Delete the Toolbox pages, export as PDF, and distribute. Teaser first, NDA second, full OM to qualified buyers only. That's the CREOM Pro Kit, 32 pages. The full institutional OM structure and the financial analysis buyers expect. The complete deal marketing funnel from blind teaser to close. Works for retail, multifamily, industrial, and office. It's fully editable in your favorite tools. The link is in the description. Download it today. Build your first institutional grade OM this week and market your next listing like a top producer.